Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga's YouTube channel. My name's Kevin, so find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Today's a short sequence to stretch out the legs, something that we're on almost all day, every day, yet maybe take for granted once in a while. So take the next few minutes for yourself. Just give your legs some love. So come to standing at the top of your mat. Bring the feet just about hip distance apart. Lift the toes, spread them back down onto the mat. Palms face forward, shoulders draw back, head floats just above the body. Lift the toes, place them back down on the mat. Now lift the heels, come onto the toes. Get as high as you can. Breathe, 3, 2, 1. Lower the heels. Lift the toes, 3, 2, 1. Back onto the toes. Lift the heels, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Toes. Lift, 3, 2, 1. Lift the heels. Last time. 3, 2. Get tall. Last one. Lowering down. Lift the toes. 3, 2, 1. Lower the toes. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, hinging at the hips, forward fold. Bend the knees deep enough here so the chest can rest on the thighs. Maybe grab either elbow, nod the head yes, shake it no. And add a little bounce. A little bounce side to side, waking up, giving a little love to the hamstrings, backs of the legs. Remembering to breathe deeply as you rock side to side. Releasing hands down to the mat. Plant the right palm in between the feet. Straighten the left leg. Inhale, reach the left arm up to the sky. Gaze up to the left hand. Breathing deeply. Exhale, bring the left hand down, switch with the right. Straighten the right leg, bend into the left. Inhale, right arm reaches up. On an exhale, bring the right hand down. Heel toe the feet in, big toes touch. Inhale, take a half lift, extend through the crown of the head. Exhale, fold, bend the knees, take the right foot behind the left. Bring the pinky toes to touch. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. And checking in with your breath. Releasing, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms. Bend into the left knee. Bring the right foot back around. Now take the left leg behind. Straightening the left leg, bending into the right. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, bending back into the knees, taking the left foot around behind. Big toes touch. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Heel toe the feet out, hip distance, about 2 fists. Take the peace fingers, grabbing the big toes. Bend the knees deep enough. Thumbs cap off the big toes. Inhale, half lift, work on straightening the legs, draw the shoulders back, and exhale, using the strength in your arms, pull yourself a little bit deeper into the fold. Drawing belly in, create space. If you have a little shake in the legs, it's okay. energy moving through the body. Releasing the toes, inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step the feet back, and lower down to the knees. Now bring the knees to touch, heels spread out, so the butt can rest just in between the heels. Now, option here to take a block underneath the butt if the butt doesn't come down onto the mat. If it does, you're okay right here. Sit up tall, and staying here is perfectly okay. An option would just be to sit here, check in with the breath, breathe, or if you'd like to take it a little bit deeper, bring the hands back behind the body. Begin to walk the palms back, maybe coming down to the forearms, making sure the knees stay grounded. Knees are grounded, belly draws in, gaze comes up. Create a long spine. Hands next to the feet, or maybe grabbing onto the feet. Option here to lower even further, coming onto the back, or coming back up to the hands, planting the palms. Now lift the hips, look up, look back. Breathe 3 breaths. Lowering back down, walking the hands back up. Sitting comfortably on the heels, bring the knees to touch, hands resting in the lap. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Drawing hands to heart center, bowing head to hands. Finding something in your day today to be grateful for. Too often we ask, what can I get, rather than what can I give? But when you're grateful for all that you have everything that you need. And I'm sure your legs are grateful for giving them a little love today. Thank you for practicing. If you liked the video, please subscribe, comment below. Let us know why your legs are tired. But thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Check in next Sunday for a new video. Namaste.